Hello guys, good morning. So today's video, I'm cooking the pumpkin. So I already fry this one guys with the garlic and onion. And then I put already some coconut milk. The second that I get from the coconut. So now I will put the first coconut milk that I get from the coconut, fruit coconut, dried, dried coconut guys. So ito lang siya. So ayan guys. So you will mix only guys, and then just put the salt, and if you want to put the more cubes you can also. And then just make boiled, and after that already cook, already ready, you can eat guys. So if you want to taste different taste of pumpkin, you can try this coconut vegetables, coconut pumpkin guys. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Thank you so much. Hope you like it. Have a good day. Have a blessed day to all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.